I can't believe I forgot it's Sunday. Hello, welcome back to my channel. I completely forgot that it is Sunday. So, this is definitely gonna be uploaded way later than I wanted it to be. Oh my god, a cat outside. I've just been swamped with a bunch of stuff. So, this week I decided to tackle another cooking thing. So recently, sometimes when I'm really tired, I'll watch this YouTuber. Her name is Zoe, and she works at this cafe in somewhere in Korea, and like it's her mom's cafe, and she's like always making these cool desserts, and they look all really pretty and things like that. And there was this one dessert that she mentioned that she loved, and it was like this Oreo cake. And I always thought it was like so cool, and I was like, wow, I really want to try that. Well, she uploaded a tutorial on how to make that cake, and I was like, I have to do it. So I decided to try and make this cake. I halved the measurements just because I only made half of the serving. So originally like there's supposed to be 12 pieces, but I made 6. So you need butter, you need Oreo cookies, you need mascarpone cheese, heavy whipping cream, and that's really it. I melted the butter and I separated 6 Oreo cookies and put the cream in a bowl, and then put the Oreo cookies themselves in a bag, and you just mash that up all together, and then you pour the melted butter into the bag, so that way you can make like an Oreo crust sort of situation. And I just put that on the bottom of the little pan that I was using. And then in the bowl where I had the cream filling, I put in Southern mascarpone cheese. I put 125 grams of it, again, because it's half of it. I put that in there, and then I just, mixed it around in order for it to combine well. And then I put another bowl, I put another 125 grams of heavy whipping cream into the bowl, and I blended that together until I got like soft peaks. I think her tutorial like down in the description if you actually want to make this. So then I took the cream and mascarpone cheese mixture, and I just folded that into the whipped cream. Spread an even layer of cream on the layer with the Oreo crumbs, and then you put in Oreo cookies on top of that. The pan that I used, luckily I was able to fit 6 Oreos. Depending on your thing, you might need to break some Oreos in half in order to fill in all the crevices. So I did that, and then I put another layer of cream, and then another layer of Oreos, and then a final layer of cream on top, and then I wrapped that all up and I put it in the fridge. And you have to put it in the fridge for about 20 hours. I put it in for around 24 hours, actually like maybe more than that, because I kind of forgot that I had it in the fridge. And then yeah, so then I tried it. This is what it looks like. I hope that you can see it. Yeah, I'm excited to try it. I'm like pretty pumped, because it was really soft to cut into whenever I was cutting it open. So let's see. Out of all the things that I've made, this is probably the best thing that I've made so far. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll see you next Sunday.